far as speaking is concerned, we watched the second video. That was about actually the Tristan and Ashley has gone into a pub and they want to eat something there. They visited their friend and they want to try out some new place. So this was the video we actually watched, and we'll have transcription of the video. For example, you see in front of you the line being or appearing on the screen. Can you read this line for me, Shanze? What is written over here? Muqaddas, can you read?
Hi, Tristan.
Okay, hi Tristan. Well done. And the next line, I'd like you to read. What's your name? Chaudhary Star.
Sir, the second line, Tristan, hi guys, great to see you.
Very well done. Both of you speak very well. Thank you so much. Lekin it should be spoken like, hi Tristan. The word over here or the sign over here, which is actually sign of exclamation. Whenever this sign is used after a word, that was to be spoken with the stress and emphasis. For example, hi Tristan. It is not hi Tristan. So it would be spoken like, hi Tristan. And the second thing, hi guys, great to see you. Great to see you. It is not you actually. Star. It should be great to see you. Can you repeat after me? Great to see you.
Great to see you.
See you. Okay. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. So this is how we are going to focus on our pronunciation, and we are going to go through each line, inshallah, and we are going to practice our pronunciation in a way that we may speak according to the desired bands and the criteria in IELTS examinations. Anyhow, we'll have transcription with us, as you see in front of you. I'm just running fast on these. It was just a demo. I actually wanted to give. And after doing this, we'll have activities. Muqaddas, for example, I'd like you to read the line in front of you. This is the first activity based on the video we watched.
It's my turn.
Yes, Muqaddas, I'm asking you to read this line.
Okay. Activity 1. Put the words in the correct correct order to make sentences. Each sentence has a verb with the out.
Okay. Thank you. Actually, the activity is put the words in correct order to make sentences. Each sentence has a verb with out. So now we are supposed to work on grammar, specifically the prepositions, or you can say a phrasal verb, that we have to actually make sentences, and we have to manage the order or correct order given in the activity sentences. For example, the first sentence you see over here. Yes, I'd like you to read this sentence, Muqaddas.
Her invited, I have for out lunch.
Very well done. Her invited, I've for out lunch. So this is actually disorder that we have to correct. So this is how we'll have, you can say, questions based on listening and based on videos or activities that we'll have to do. For example, in this, we have to actually correctly order the sentence, and it should be her invited, I have for out lunch. Muqaddas, what do you think should be the correct order of the sentence?
The order of the sentence may be invited for lunch. Are invited for lunch.
Invited for lunch. Out और हर की place कौन सी होगी?
Her for the last. I have invited her for. I have invited her for lunch.
Out फिर miss हो गया. चले, no problem. It should be correctly written as I've invited her out for lunch. I've invited her out for lunch. जो हमारा pronoun है her, उसके बाद out आना चाहिए. Anyhow, this is how we'll have activities, and we'll be going through these activities in order to improve upon our all areas of 4 different modules. For example, in the same way, we'll have different questions based on this. The videos we'll watch and the audios will go through. And the second activity is Maryam, her mic is broken. Aisha Sajjad, I would wish you to read this line for me now, the second activity.
The waiter or a customer. Put the expression in correct groups.
Thank you. Can you please read this again a bit loudly?
Who would say these things in a restaurant? The waiter or a customer? Put the expressions in the correct groups.
Very well done. Thank you. who would say these things in a restaurant, the waiter or customer, put the expressions in correct groups. So this is the second activity. For example, these are the expressions being made by the restaurant, the waiter, and the customer, three persons. For example, can I have a cheese sandwich? Are you ready to order? Can I take your orders? What would you like? I'd like some carrot cake, please. Have you got a table for two? Could I have a coffee? Sorry for the delay. I think I'll have tomato soup, please. Enjoy your food. So these are different expressions, and we'd be supposed to put the expressions or relate the expressions to the relevant character. For example, which are the expressions being spoken by waiter, we'll have to put or write over here, and the expressions spoken by the customer, we'll have to put the expressions in the given lines, and this is how we'll keep on doing with the restaurant as well. So this is how we're going to do activities based on these data that I have discussed. Hopefully, you should have clearly got an idea, Ishrat.
Yes, sir. I have got the
Very well
idea.
done. Very well done. मुकद्दस, मुझे सिर्फ इतना बताएं, the things we just have now gone through, जो अब हम डिस्कस किए हैं कि हम किस तरीके से पढ़ेंगे, इसका कुछ आइडिया हुआ है आपको? सिर्फ इन्हीं चीजों को भी डिस्कस.
Yes,
Yes.
we go with the accent. We will practice for the accent.
शाबाश.
Also, waiter and customer discussed about the meal and table discussions about the things.
वेरी वेल डन. अभी तो हमने
Thank you.
प्रोनाउंसिएशन एंड एक्सेंट को देखा है ना. मैं ये आपको बताना चाह रहा हूँ कि दिस इज हाउ वी विल टेक क्लासेस. यानी हम पहले एक वीडियो देखेंगे, उसके ऊपर डिफरेंट एक्टिविटीज होंगी. द फर्स्ट एक्टिविटी वाज एक्चुअली बेस्ड ऑन फ्रेजल वर्ब्स to put correct order of the sentence. The second activity is actually based on understanding the sentences being spoken by various characters in the video. तो ये मुख्तलिफ क्वेश्चन ऑफ नेचर जो वो बदल रही है, लेकिन जो हमने कंटेंट देखा था उस कंटेंट के ऊपर क्वेश्चंस हैं जिनको हम सॉल्व कर रहे हैं, और इस तरीके से हम इनको अंडरस्टैंड करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ये बात आपको समझ आई है?
Yeah, जी.
चलो, शाबाश. Thank you. Same would be the way for listening. I'm not going to play it because we're short of time, and we'll do the same thing. For example, in the listening, he spoke, "Hello, Johnny. Hello. Excuse me. Excuse me." So this is how we'll read the transcription, and then we'll do practices based on that. Debate, we don't need to watch this now. Okay, same is the case with reading. Reading, for example, it is section 1, and the title for this is Adam's Wine. So who would voluntarily read the first paragraph among you? जी, कौन पढ़ेगा?
जी सर.
I would like to start.
You would like to start, and जी सर. चलें, पहले उन्होंने कहा है what's her name? इसार ने, तो इंशाल्लाह उनको सुनते हैं, and then next would be your turn. Chance. जी सर.
Water is the giver and at the same time the taker of life. It covers most of the surface of the planet we live on and features large in the development of the human race. On present predictions, it is an element that is said to assume even greater significance.
Right. Water is okay. Shanzi, abhi aap padhein the same one.
Sure, sir. Water is the giver and at the same time the taker of life. It covers most of the surface of the planet we live and features large in the development of the human race. On present prediction, it is an element that is said to assume even greater significance.
Thank you so much. Water is the giver and at the same time the taker of life. It covers most of the surface of the planet we live on and features large in the development of the human race. On present predictions, it is an element that is said to assume even greater significance. So this is the first paragraph we have gone through, and we'll have different paragraphs in reading. We'll go through each paragraph, and after going through each paragraph, we will have questions based on these paragraphs of these contents in the reading. For example, we listening, speaking, reading, and writing. So the questions, I'd like you, Asha Sajjad, to read questions first, please.
Question 1 to 8. Reading passage. One has 8 paragraphs labeled A to I. Choose the most suitable heading for paragraph B to I from the list of headings below.
Okay, let me correct you. This is labeled A to 1 and then 1 to 8. Questions 1 to 8, reading passage. 1 has 8 paragraphs labeled as A to 8. Choose the most suitable headings for paragraph B1 from the list of the headings below. And after reading the paragraphs, we'll have list of different headings. For example, write the appropriate numbers 1 to 8 in boxes 1 to 8 on your answer sheet. One of the headings has been done for you as an example. Note there are more headings than paragraphs, so you will not use all of them. कि 8 से ज़्यादा headings हैं, तो आपने क्या करना है कि सारी headings जो है वो नहीं देनी, क्योंकि 8 questions होंगे तो 8 ही headings हमें देनी है. तो एक example जो है वो आज के पेपर में already provide की जाती है for the candidate. For example 1 है paragraph A answers 7 और 7 number पे क्या थी? What is water? जो हमने पहला पैराग्राफ पढ़ा है, अगर उसको देखें और ये सारी हम, चूंकि अभी हम ये लिस्ट ऑफ हेडिंग्स जो इसको मैं नहीं पढ़ रहा, फॉर एग्जांपल ये जो लिस्ट ऑफ हेडिंग्स यहाँ पे दी हुई है, anyhow the paragraph we went through was titled as or should be titled as what is water. What is water? So this is how reading के जो different passages हैं, we'll go through reading, and after reading those paragraphs we'll go through answering the questions based on the IELTS reading test. Number 1. Number 2, we'll go through techniques and strategies. अभी तो मैं सिर्फ ये बता रहा हूँ कि हम क्लास पढ़ेंगे कैसे. I'm not telling you the things, or neither I am actually teaching you something, neither I am lecturing you something. I'm just telling that how would we take classes. यहाँ तक किसी का कोई क्वेश्चन है जी इससे रेलेवेंट जो भी हमने डिस्कस किया है जी?
Sir, I have a question. Sir, I would like to ask about the writing. Do we have such writing exam?
जी
Do
जी
we
जी
have
जी
writing?
बिल्कुल होगा. Actually, what I was saying actually was के this is how we'll go through reading. इसके बाद writing का ही task है. For example, writing task 1 आपके सामने है. We'll go through each and everything. उसको डिस्कस करेंगे और फिर उसके बाद writing test 2 जो है हम उसको देखेंगे जो ऐसे है और हम वो ऐसे लिखेंगे. Anyhow, we'll have everything with us. और मैं आपको टेक्निक्स बताऊंगा कि सेंटेंस कैसे लिखते हैं, पैराग्राफ कैसे बनाते हैं, एक पैराग्राफ में डिफरेंट पार्ट्स कितने होते हैं, उनको स्ट्रक्चर कैसे करते हैं, ऐसे के टाइप्स कितने होते हैं. We'll go through each and everything. Remember one thing, आज की जो क्लास थी that wasn't and that isn't on lecturing or understanding something. That is only on introduction, that how would we take these classes. Come in classes
Yes, sir.
पढ़ेंगे कैसे, ठीक है?
I got your idea. Actually, sir, I think so. You graduate from University of Lahore. मैंने पहले आपका introduction देखा था, तो I got idea, and I think so. We have same university. You did your I think so MPhil from University of Lahore, and I did my masters from University of Lahore. So actually, my concern is about writing and speaking, because where I'm living, they are focusing on accent. Actually, which accent we are using, they are under the influence of British. So, but I'm following actually American accent because I'm specifically, I'm following American accent because of my ELT department. That's why, because they did lot of work in that department. So my concern is that like it depends on the accent. Like we are doing British Council, so when I will do my IELTS, so is it okay if I pronounce, or if my pronunciation, or if my accent, or if my dialect will be American?
Yes, it will be okay, no problem. No, you don't need to struggle much. You can take care of things. You should be consciously answering the things and be careful while you answer. But if your accent would be American, there is no problem. But you should try to stay British, okay? For example, अभी कुछ words in the beginning, I'm listening you since we started this class. तो मुझे तो इसका आइडिया है कि आप अमेरिकन एक्सप्रेशन यूज कर रही हैं. तो कोशिश करें कि आप शुरू करें ब्रिटिश ही पे फोकस करें. इन केस अगर अमेरिकन हो भी जाता है तो नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल. उससे मतलब ज्यादा फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, ओके? बट pronunciation should be correct, whether it is American or whether it is British, that must be correct. For example, either you say either or either you say schedule or schedule, that must be correctly pronounced. Got it?
Yeah, I got it. And also, like at the end of the classes, do we have such feedback about our performance?
Yes.
Like
so मुझे मुझे अभी let me complete my presentation, okay? इंशाल्लाह मैं आंसर करता हूँ. Okay, let me complete.
Sure, sir.
माशाल्लाह आप बड़े अच्छे, ब्रिलियंट और थोड़े से एडवांस्ड कैंडिडेट्स लग रहे हैं. Here we come.
नहीं
now.
सर, ऐसी बात नहीं है. Actually मैंने आपको थोड़ा
I'm just joking. Very well done. You're welcome. Welcome to the class. अच्छा,
Thank you so
Muqaddas,
much.
I'd like you. Thank you so much. Muqaddas, I'd like you to read this for me. First all, what you see on the screen. You see mouse cursor, please.
Yes. Okay, it's my turn.
Yes, it is your turn now.
Okay. Learn English with Professor Usman Khani. Arts weekly course plan outline. Course books and audio visual data. It's Cambridge 17. Get Arts Band 9 Speaking. Vocabulary Secrets Band 9. Cambridge Arts Consultant. Cambridge United Kingdom. British Council. BBC Learn English. BBC Database.
Okay, chale. Thank you so much to correct you, Muqaddas. This is data, this is online, and this is debate. Okay, what you have just read now is actually the data we are going to go through in this class. यानी जो हमने कंटेंट पढ़ना है, जिसका आपका सवाल था मुकद्दस के सर आउटलाइन और सिलेबस का कुछ बता दें, तो ये आउटलाइन और सिलेबस है बेसिकली. जो कोर्स बुक्स हम पढ़ेंगे, नंबर 1 बुक इज IELTS Cambridge 17. IELTS Cambridge 17 IELTS एकेडमिक की बुक है, दैट इज फ्रॉम ब्रिटिश काउंसिल एंड कैम्ब्रिज. तो हम इस बुक को कंप्लीटली विल गो थ्रू दिस बुक, यानी जितनी भी ऑडियोज हैं और उस पर हमारी ट्रांसक्रिप्शंस हैं, एसेज हैं और लिसनिंग का मटेरियल है, विल कवर दिस बुक कंप्लीटली. एक बुक. नंबर 2 विल गो थ्रू गेट IELTS बैंड 9 स्पीकिंग. ये बैंड 9 स्पीकिंग के लिए एक बुक है जो कैम्ब्रिज की तरफ से है, हम इसको पढ़ेंगे इंशाल्लाह. द थर्ड इज वोकैब सीक्रेट्स बैंड 9. This is the book on essay writing, IELTS academic specifically. We'll go through this book as well. So we're going to cover 3 books in our course. Okay?
Sure, sir.
Sure, sir. Inshallah. और ये तीनों बुक्स जो हैं, these are from Cambridge IELTS Consultancy and Cambridge United Kingdom Press. ये इसकी तरफ से बुक्स हैं, ऑथेंटिक बुक्स हैं. इसके अलावा ब्रिटिश काउंसिल, BBC लर्न इंग्लिश और डिबेट्स है, उससे काफी सारी डेटा है. Let's suppose we watched videos. These videos were not among these 3 books. These videos are from BBC Learn English, British Council, okay? British Council podcast जो है, उसकी तरफ से ये वीडियोस थी. इसी तरह ऑडियोज होंगी जिनको हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे. तो डेटा जो है, that must be relevant. Let me show you. Get IELTS by 9 Speaking, that is Cambridge IELTS Consultants. ये कैम्ब्रिज की तरफ से बुक है और इस बुक को कंप्लीट बुक हम पढ़ेंगे. इसी तरीके से जो बाकी बुक्स मैंने आपको बताई हैं, we are going to go through all these books इंशाल्लाह. अच्छा, फिर हमारा डेली जो 2 आवर्स होंगे उसको हम स्पेंड कैसे करेंगे अपनी क्लासेस में. हाउ आर वी गोइंग टू स्पेंड these 2 hours in our classes onwards. For example, date सबसे पहले क्या होगी. Class 1 is on Friday, Saturday and Sunday. First 3 classes Friday, Saturday, Sunday. May 3, 4 and 5. उसमें होगा क्या, ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन. आज हमने सिर्फ ब्रीफ इंट्रोडक्शन किया है. We haven't gone through introducing IELTS academic क्या है, वो इंशाल्लाह हम कल देखेंगे. तो हम क्या करेंगे, we'll go through this. First of all, this is actually theory. PPT या PDF लेक्चर्स होंगे, कंटेंट होगा, या PPT स्लाइड्स होंगी जैसे आज हमने देखी हैं, या लेक्चर्स होंगे जैसे ये बुक हमारे सामने थी, हम उसको पढ़ेंगे. और ये कितने मिनट्स के लिए होगा, 30 मिनट्स के लिए. Then what is next thing, Shanze?
Sir, the next thing will be listening intro and
Okay, read above. What does the heading say?
okay, then we will have practice and activity about listening, audio, beginners, script and transcription, task analysis. Thank you so much. Okay, the second thing after these 30 minutes will be practicing or doing activity on different modules. For example, on listening, first of all, we'll do something. Then on speaking, and then reading and writing, we'll try to cover all these 4 things simultaneously, if it would be okay. Depending upon the needs and requirements, I will decide on the spot what to do first and what to do next. Let's suppose listening है. Listening में first of all audio होगी, और ये audio किसके लिए होगी, beginners के लिए होगी. इसके हम script देखेंगे, इसकी transcription देखेंगे, इसके task करेंगे, और फिर in each class, Shanze, that was your question. In each class, yes,
we'll
sir.
have analysis. In each class, we'll have analysis, okay? Inshallah. आपको मॉक टेस्ट भी होंगे, आपके मॉक टेस्ट भी होंगे, लेकिन हर क्लास में आप इवैल्यूएट होते रहेंगे. आफ्टर ईच क्लास यू विल कम टू नो दैट वेयर यू स्टैंड एक्चुअली. इसी तरह वो जो ऑडियो होगी,
that will be very great for us.
Thank you so much. अच्छा, वो कौन सी ऑडियो होगी? दैट वुड बी बेस्ड ऑन प्लीज एंड थैंक यू। ये ऑडियो का टाइटल है जो प्लीज एंड थैंक यू। हम ये वाली ऑडियो सुनेंगे, फिर ये ऑडियो सुनेंगे, फिर इसी तरह ये। और ये कहाँ से है? ये ब्रिटिश काउंसिल से हैं ये तीनों ऑडियोज, ठीक है। और ये कितनी देर के लिए होगा? ये एक्टिविटी हमारी 30 मिनट्स की होगी, ठीक है। 30 मिनट्स के लिए फर्स्ट टू एंड 30 मिनट्स के लिए सेकंड टू। इसके अलावा जो हमारे पास 20 मिनट्स होंगे फॉर एग्जांपल, या 30 मिनट्स होंगे, उनको जो आपको असाइनमेंट दी जाएगी उसको हम इंशाल्लाह कैटर करेंगे। सो दिस इज हाउ वी आर गोइंग टू टेक दीज क्लासेस। और ये पूरे का पूरा डेटा अगर आप देखें तो जितना भी कोर्स है उसकी सारी आउटलाइन वेरी वेल कवर्ड है, जिसको हम इंशाल्लाह अपनी क्लासेस में कवर करेंगे। यहाँ तक होपफुली आपको कुछ आइडिया हो गया होगा। फ्राइडे सैटरडे संडे 3 डेज हमारी क्लास होगी, और क्लास होगी आफ्टर मगरिब हमारी क्लास शुरू होगी, और उसमें ईशा का थोड़ा सा टाइम निकाल के फिर हम ईशा के बाद अपनी क्लास को 10 से 15 मिनट कंटिन्यू करके फॉर 2 आवर्स विल एंड आवर क्लास ऑन दीज 3 days इन अ वीक। तो होपफुली यहाँ तक आप बच्चों को कुछ आइडिया हो गया होगा व्हाट इज एक्चुअली आवर कंटेंट, और ये कंटेंट कहाँ से है, कितना ऑथेंटिक है, एंड हाउ डू वी टेक दिस क्लासेस जो पढ़ने के लिए प्रोसीजर होगा वो किस तरीके से होगा, एंड हाउ डू वी कवर दीज थिंग्स। होपफुली सो फार एज formal introduction is concerned about classes, you'll have a clear idea what we're going to do ahead in our classes. Ji, now
Yes,
it
sir.
is question and answer session. You may ask as many questions as you wish, please.
Sir, I want to know about the time when we will start and when we will finish, because I have a time issue because पाकिस्तान से मैं 2 घंटे पीछे हूँ और आप लोग मेरे से 2 घंटे आगे हैं।
ठीक है, चलें बस ये इसका आपने ख्याल करना है 2 hours का। we'll be starting our starting time would be 7:15 इंशाल्लाह, 7:15 as per Pakistan time. Yes, आपका कोई सवाल तो नहीं है शानजे?
No sir, thank you so much. I really appreciate you. All the things are very clear and I can
Thank you so much.
understand all the things. I really appreciate you and I really like your way of teaching, how you organize and all these things.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. Thank you so much. You know, this is very great strength for a teacher कि जब बच्चों को समझ आ रहा हो, and when they say that it is okay and we understand everything, ये बहुत बड़ी support और appreciation होती है. Thank you so much.
Exactly sir. Exactly sir.
आप भी उस्तानी है ना? आप भी उस्तानी है, इसी वजह से
बिल्कुल
आपके
सर,
कह रहे हैं।
बिल्कुल सर, मैं अंडरस्टैंड कर सकती हूँ। पाकिस्तानी स्टूडेंट्स और इंटरनेशनल स्टूडेंट्स को डील करना, इट्स अ टोटली डिफरेंट एक्सपीरियंस बिकॉज आई हैड टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन पाकिस्तान एज वेल एज आई हैव टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन Turkey, and right now I'm teaching in North Cyprus. It is totally a new experience for me because I'm teaching to Turkish people and I'm teaching to other international students. So I had a great experience about them.
चले माशाल्लाह, wish you good luck to for your endeavors to excel in your profession, dear. चलें जी, this session is sufficient for today, and inshallah we are going to get our formal classes by tomorrow, and we'll take our class after Maghrib. Looking forward to see you in the next class. See you tomorrow inshallah. Allah Hafiz for today. Allah Hafiz.